Yo, crypto enthusiasts! Ever heard of Beam? This privacy-focused cryptocurrency has been making waves. But here's the burning question: can you actually hold Bitcoin in a Beam wallet? Let's dive in and find out. Now, Beam is a unique player in the crypto world. It's built on Mimblewimble, a cutting-edge technology that prioritizes user privacy. Think of it like whispering your crypto transactions, super discreet. But can this privacy-focused champ actually handle the king of crypto, Bitcoin? That's where things get a bit tricky. Beam and Bitcoin operate on completely different blockchains. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Bitcoin has its own unique blockchain, while Beam has its own. Imagine blockchains as digital ledgers. Each cryptocurrency has its own ledger where all transactions are recorded. So, you can't just magically transfer Bitcoin into a Beam wallet. It's like trying to put a square peg in a round hole; it simply won't fit. But don't despair, fellow crypto explorers. While you can't directly hold Bitcoin in a Beam wallet, there are a few workarounds. Exchanges. Most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges allow you to trade Bitcoin for Beam. You can buy Bitcoin, then use that Bitcoin to purchase Beam within the exchange itself. It's a bit like exchanging currency at a foreign exchange counter. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. If you're a fan of decentralized finance, DeFi, DEXs offer a peer-to-peer trading option. You can swap your Bitcoin for Beam directly on a decentralized platform, giving you more control over your funds. Bridges. Some advanced platforms are developing bridges that connect different blockchains. These bridges could potentially enable the transfer of value between Bitcoin and Beam in the future. However, this technology is still under development and may not be available for all users yet. Even though you can't directly hold Bitcoin in a Beam wallet, Beam itself offers some compelling features. Enhanced privacy. As mentioned earlier, Beam's Mimblewimble technology makes your transactions nearly untraceable. This is a major advantage for privacy-conscious individuals. Fast transactions. Beam boasts incredibly fast transaction speeds, making it a great option for quick and efficient transfers. Low fees. Compared to some other cryptocurrencies, Beam typically has lower transaction fees, saving you money in the long run. So, can you hold Bitcoin in a Beam wallet? Unfortunately, not directly. But with the help of exchanges, DEXs, and potentially future bridging technologies, you can easily acquire Beam using your Bitcoin holdings. Beam's focus on privacy and its impressive speed and low fees make it a compelling cryptocurrency in its own right. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting your crypto journey, Beam is definitely worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.